Hi, I'm Mia and I'm going to show you how to solve the Rubik's Cube. So first I need to get one side in all the cubes lined up in the right place. So you can tell which side is which because the middle square always shows you which side is you need to solve. So first, there are no real patterns for the beginning. You can get it any way you can possibly can. Sometimes you need to think for a second before you make a move. That's okay. So now I have the green side and all of the white lined up, all of the orange, all of the yellow, and all of the red. So next we need to get, the next step is to get these edges in the right spot. So there are two different patterns depending on where you want to go with it. U is the top face, F is the front face, R is the right face, L is the left face, D is the down face, and B, which we will not be using, is the back face, but not if you're a beginner, you might want to use it. So the first pattern, I need to get this top square with the yellow, this to here. The pattern is U, R. U and prime means counterclockwise, and just the letter means not clockwise. R prime, U prime, F prime, U, F. So now the yellow is there and the orange is there. So for the second pattern, I need to get this red spot with this yellow here, in the red here, in the red here, and the yellow here. So you don't start, this is not F in this position. You start on the red or the color one face clockwise to it. So this pattern is U, F, U prime, F, sorry. Okay. So U prime, F prime, U, F, U, R, U prime, R prime. And if a green or another square gets mixed up, don't worry. The patterns are an easy way to get them all again. So the white's here and it needs to go here with the red. So again, U prime, F prime, U, F, U, R, U prime, R prime. Now the whole middle layer is solved. So now if you're doing green for the start, put the red in front. There are 3 different patterns, and you can look on a Rubik's Cube guide to see the setups for one pattern. So this setup is a blue square here above the red column and a blue row here. And the pattern is F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. And if a pattern doesn't work on the first try, you can always do it again. So for the next step is the edge, like these edges in the right spot. The red and yellow are already solved. So if the red and yellow, you do the pattern on the red if the yellow isn't first. And you always need to line up the red with the red's face. And so if the red and yellow are already in place, you start with the white and do the pattern to get these 2 flip-flopped. The pattern is, it's a fun one. R, U, R prime, U, R, U, U, R prime. And sometimes you need to do U to put all of them in place. Now hold the cube with red in front. No. Find a corner that's in the right place, not flip the right direction, but in the right place. So in this case, it's red, yellow, and blue. There's a pattern to get all the others in the right place. And the pattern is, this includes else. U, R, U prime, L prime, U, R prime, U prime, L. So this is in the right place, this isn't, and this isn't. So if that ever happens, you just do it again. U, R, U prime, L prime, U, R, R prime, U prime, L, L. So now that's in the right place, that is, and that is, and that is. Now hold the cube with red in front. Turn the top layer until the corner needs to be flipped around in the right place. When you do the pattern, the green and the others will get mixed up. But after you do it and solve for the both, it'll be right in place and you'll be solved it. So you do this pattern, it's an easy one, either 2 or 4 times. It's R prime, D prime, R, D. R prime, D prime, R, D. So I got that in the right place, so I just turn here. Now for the exciting part. R prime, D prime, R, D. 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 Then you need to turn the top layer until it's solved. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a great day. Thank you.